Viewer discretion advised. This video may contain strong language or distressing content. This upload is intended for educational and documentary purposes under applicable public records law and fair use guidelines.
Bravo 3 Delta 2, 1065 for
Hello, Deputy Hans with the Sheriff's Office. Can I get your license, registration, and insurance, please? Put the drink down. I need your license.
It's a green tea.
Put the drink.
Ma'am.
Excuse you. I need your license, your registration, and insurance.
But don't be a bully. You're a bully. And I don't like woman bullies. Period.
Where are you headed today, sir?
I am going to my doctor client. Ma'am, and guess what? You're messing with the wrong person.
Okay, sounds good. I need your registration and your insurance, please, sir.
My insurance is on my phone.
Okay, I need your registration.
I'll take my sweet time.
It's fine.
You bully me, you're done.
So you don't know why you don't know why I stopped you?
What?
You don't know why?
What?
I'm asking you.
I have no idea why it's that.
Because you're passing in a no passing, sir.
No,
twice
I
you did.
Middle lane.
No, sir. No, sir. It's not. It's a breakdown lane, yellow.
In Delray Beach, you're allowed to pass.
Not in Florida.
Delray Beach
is in Florida, sir.
Yeah.
You are not allowed to pass on a double solid yellow line or double solid breakdown line, sir. You did it twice. I gave you the pass on the first one, and then you did it again.
I have no points.
It doesn't matter, sir. I need your registration, please, sir. I need your registration, please, sir. Registration, please, sir.
Miss Hines,
registration, sir. I am behaving, sir. Do not raise your voice at me, sir.
Do not bully
I've
me.
asked you
several
times for your registration, sir, and your insurance.
Okay. You're bullying me.
Okay.
I don't like you. I really don't like you because you're not a good officer.
Okay.
I'll speak to your superior.
That's fine. The little yellow sticker comes on, sir.
Ma'am, just don't tell me what to do.
Trying to help you find paperwork, sir.
I have everything here. I'm a CEO. I'm retired. I work part-time. It's hot. It's frustrating when people do 30 or 20 miles an hour. I'm sorry, ma'am. Going on a 40-mile-an-hour speed limit, doing 20 miles an hour. You can't. Insurance. I'm not getting you my registration. You can look it up. I have to.
Can I get a second here, please?
Progressive. M-N-O-C. Progressive. Here's my insurance.
Okay, so you're handing me your cell phone.
Insurance.
Okay.
And now you want my registration.
Yes, sir. Here you go.
Southbound.
Put your cell phone back, sir. I don't want to hold on to it.
Don't just drop it. Hand it to me.
You were looking for paperwork.
Did that?
No, sir, I did not. It's on camera. I did not, sir. I placed it down on your
Why
hat.
don't you just give it to me?
Because you're looking for information.
Like a woman should give the phone to
Can I get your
a
registration,
man.
please, sir?
You know what? You're dealing with the wrong man.
Okay,
I'm a
sir.
CEO.
Okay.
I'm intelligent. I have the best attorneys in the world.
All right,
and
sir.
you're messing with the wrong human being.
Okay.
Give me a That's what you want to do. My registration is somewhere here, but I can't find it. Hell, if my car's registered, go home.
So you don't have your registration with you?
I have my registration with me.
Can I please have it, sir? You're supposed to provide it.
That's what you are. There it is. That's the old one.
Do you have a current one, sir?
You can tell if I'm registered. You know what?
Do you have the current one, sir?
I can't find it.
Okay, so you're telling me you don't have your current one. You're not going to look through the. Okay.
One more time. I can't find it.
Okay. So is everything good with your license, sir? It's not suspended for any reason?
I have 0 points.
So your license is not suspended?
I have 0 points.
Okay. Stay in the car. I'll be right back with you, sir.
Alpha 10.
Switching to channel 2. sidewalk. Get out of the road. Your car's on, sir. Your car's on, sir. That's not what I do, sir. Either sit in the car or stand on the sidewalk.
Don't give me a hard time, we're all gonna finish
What kind of SUV was it?
You're in your car and it's running, sir. Turn the AC on. Okay? It's not that difficult.
1840. Yeah, I'd say fine. 1843.
They're coming.
The reason why I moved.
Nope.
I just moved because I'm sick.
Don't
I want to go to the hospital.
Don't resist.
I want to go to the hospital.
your hand behind your back
wanna
right
go
now.
to the hospital. I want to go to the hospital. Ma'am, I
Turn
want
around and put your hand behind your back.
I'm sick.
Now.
Ma'am, I'm sick. I'm sick.
me one more
I'm
time.
sick. I'm sick.
Get
I'm
on
sick.
the ground.
Ma'am,
Put
I'm
your
sick.
hands behind your
I'll
back.
put it behind my
now.
back. I'm sick. Be in trouble. I'm gonna sue you for
Alpha 10.
everything you got. I will sue you for everything you got.
Show me 1015.
All I did is pull over here so I can get some medicine. I need medicine, man. Oh man, you're in trouble.
10:15.
You're in trouble. I need medicine. Take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital.
You're gonna
I
stop.
need medicine. There's something wrong with her. She's brutal. She's brutal. She's brutal. She's brutal. They kill people this way. Ma'am, I'm a CEO. Oh my God, she's checking my pockets. You take any money out of my wallet, you're done. Call the head sheriff. Please, call the head sheriff. Call the head sheriff. Please, call the head sheriff. I'm sick. Wait till you find out how sick I am. Here, ma'am. Here,
Stop moving. You're gonna end up on the ground. Do you understand me?
Help! 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 Can I have a sheriff, please? Another sheriff, please. I want another sheriff, please. No, please! Another sheriff! Oh my God! Oh my God! She's killing me! Hold on. I want another sheriff here.
Have a
All I
seat.
want is another sheriff.
Have a seat.
I'm hurting!
Have a
Ma'am, you're killing me!
Sit down.
I'm sick.
Put your feet in now.
I can't.
Put
Ma'am.
your feet in
Ma'am,
now.
I want to see another sheriff. That's all I want to see. I just
Put
want to see another sheriff.
your
I have my right.
feet in.
I will put it in, but I want to see another
Now.
sheriff. Can't you answer me?
Now.
Can you answer me? Can I have another sheriff?
Is this another resisting charge,
No.
sir? Then get your butt in the car now.
You're hurting me.
I'm not. Get in the car.
I am so sick you can't imagine. I'm going to the hospital.
Get in the car.
Going to the hospital.
Now.
Oh, can I see another sheriff?
10-4.
Oh my God.
Put your feet in. Alpha 10, can I get a record rotation?
Top 1. And still north.
I have to go to the hospital! I have to, I'm very ill! Man, you're gonna get Lawson. You're gonna get a Lawson. call another sheriff. Thank you. Can you please call another sheriff so I go to the hospital? You have no...
Maybe you should have thought about that before you drove away from the traffic stop.
10 times! 10 times!
Number 5, 10%.
Everything's safe?
Thank you. So anyway, we were right out on Savannah, right? He kept revving his engine.
Yeah.
He does not like females whatsoever.
That's why I started. That's why I came back.
So I started, I'm writing my tickets, right? I'm on getting ready on the second one. He hauls butt into here, parks right there. I haul butt into here. He goes to walk in. I said, I knocked the drink out of his hand, and I went hands-on with him, because I'm like, I'm done. He was resisting.
Yeah, that's
so I'm
walking away from the traffic stop.
I had to get medicine! I had to get...
They don't have medicine at Cumberland,
Of course
sir.
they do. They have Valerian.
Okay.
Coming up outside the bar.
So anyway, so I just called for a record for this one.
I'll
right
take
here.
care of it. We're good to go.
All right. No, I think they're still in his pocket. Will you pat him down one more time for me? Okay. I have his ID.
Yeah, the car is beeping. I can hear him.
Sit up.
I want to go to the hospital.
Sit up.
Shut up! I want to go to the hospital!
Don't worry.
I want to go to the hospital! I can't sit up.
Yeah, you can.
All right, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Step out.
Can I go to the hospital?
No,
please?
step out.
What? I'm in pain, sir.
Don't move.
I have nothing on me. I'm a CEO. I don't know why this whole thing happened. Check me out, Richard L. Shulman, CEO Medical Technologies Group. Why are you doing this to me? This never happens in Palm Beach County. Never. Never. I have no weapons. I have no nothing. I'm a sick man. I'm a sick man, sir. I want to go to the hospital. I want to go to the hospital. Can I speak to your chief? I want to go to the hospital. Ma'am, I want to go to the hospital. I'm sick. I can't believe this. I cannot believe this. There's going to be a big lawsuit. There's going to be a huge lawsuit.
We'll get you
I got to go to the hospital.
Hey, we'll get you
I want to lock my car up and go to the hospital. Please, sir.
You're under arrest, so.
But I did nothing wrong. I want to go to the hospital. I'm very sick.
Spread your legs.
Sir, you're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Well, gotta pat you down, make sure you...
I have nothing. I'm the CEO.
Oh, that's good.
You know what? I think you're finished.
Thank you.
You too.
Thank you.
You two are finished.
Thank you.
You know why? Because I told her I was sick and she didn't listen, so I came in here to get medicine. There's medicine that helps me that they sell here.
What is it called?
It's called generic Tylenol. It's like very high dose Tylenol.
Okay.
I can't. Sir.
All right.
I want to go to the hospital, sir.
Have a seat or I'm going to put you in here.
Can I go to the hospital, please?
If you need
Mr.
medical
Appler,
attention, we'll get
Mr.
you...
Appler, can I
We'll get
go
you the attention you
to...
need, but have a seat.
You want to know something?
Have a seat.
And this would never... Sir!
Sit
This would never
down.
happen in Palm Beach County, ever! Ever!
Well, this ain't
I want to
Palm
see
Beach
Chief of
County.
Police.
You don't mind waiting with the car? Okay. Was traffic unit on their way?
Yeah,
I'm gonna see if they'll run the intox at this point.
she can do it.
Right, I was gonna. Oh, there she is.
If he's claiming that he needs to go to the hospital, the jail's going to tell you to take him to the hospital. After the investigation,
His phone.
You have my wallet? Do you have my wallet and my phone?
Do I?
Do you have my wallet and phone, man?
I have your driver's license, sir.
No, where's my wallet?
So,
Go to the hospital!
are you ready?
I want to go to the
That was in the glove compartment.
And go to the
So.
hospital. As I say, I almost died 3 weeks
After.
man. And what you did to me was wrong. And I'll be honest with you, you're going to learn the hard way. So I'm going to sue you. Every bit of money I have, I'm going to pay an attorney to sue you and take it down. You treated me like a piece of crap. Heinz ketchup. If you're the Heinz family, you're a good one.
It is spelled differently than the ketchup, sir.
Not good anymore.
The cake
You
mix.
are a masochist.
Okay.
When you know someone's sick, you don't treat them this way. and you're going to apologize to me, and I'm going to bring you to court. I promise you, I will bring you to court. Check me out, Richard L. Shulman, CEO, Medical Technologies Group. Check me out, Richard L. Shulman, Medical Technologies Group. Sue you, and sue the whole damn department of Martin County, and I'm going to... If I don't get to the hospital, it's going to be 10 times worse. You don't know who you're dealing with. No freaking clue. And in Palm Beach, they don't do this. I don't give a here, Martin County. Take me to the hospital. I'll tell you what's wrong with me. Ma'am, officer, what hospital are we going to? Ma'am, officer, what? It's all being recorded, ma'am. What hospital are we going to? And if you don't get me to the hospital, you're gonna be really soon. Then you're gonna lose your license, and you're never gonna be able to practice. I'll make sure. I'm gonna take you down. Treat a person who's ill this way. Ever. If you know they're ill, you're supposed to treat them with kindness. And you are totally and you treated me roughly, and I can't even get up. You're gonna be sorry as they come. Ma'am, we almost died 3 weeks ago. The hospital! How far is the hospital? Ma'am! How far is the hospital? If you're in extenuating circumstances, you're gonna go down. Go down in extenuating circumstances. You're gonna lose. You're gonna lose. Because you don't realize I'm sick as could be. And the hospital's gonna tell you the same damn thing. Freaking hospital. Far are we from the hospital, man? One more time, on the recording. How far are we from the hospital? We're at the hospital. Drive carefully! You got these cuffs on so tight. I'm not a criminal.
If you weren't resisting, sir,
No, ma'am.
they wouldn't have had to been on the way they are on.
I calmed down.
No, sir,
Ma'am,
you
ma'am.
did not. You were
You're gonna
constantly
lose your job.
resisting me, sir.
I have a very severe illness.
Okay.
You don't listen to me. What is wrong with you?
Well, I've heard everything that you've said, sir.
You want to bet? They're going to check my records right now, and I'm going to have you fired. I swear to God, I'm going to have you fired.
On September 14th, 2023, Richard Shulman was arrested for fleeing a traffic stop and resisting without violence. After deputies secured him, they followed protocol and transported him for a medical evaluation after he reported health concerns. Medical staff cleared him, finding no emergency issues, and he proceeded through the standard booking process. And it's important to remember that an arrest is not a determination of guilt. Richard Shulman, like every individual, is fully innocent until proven guilty through the proper legal process in a court of law. Thank you to the Martin County Sheriff's Office for their transparency and for providing the body camera footage used in this report. Want to help support Real Patrol footage? Consider becoming a channel member today. Members receive awesome perks like custom badges, exclusive emojis, priority comment replies, and early access to new videos. Plus, our Captain members also receive a special thank you in the end credits while their membership is active. Just click the join button next to subscribe to explore all the membership levels and perks. Thank you for supporting Real Patrol footage. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel by hitting like, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Real incidents, real officers, real patrol footage.